Hey everybody, so here's my pride and joy. It's Victoria Falls. It's the very first time I've ever done a fall wall, and you can see the massive river delta that feeds the fall wall. And I don't think anyone's ever done this before, to have sort of a random field which feeds a field which feeds the fall wall. So fingers crossed that it all works out okay. I'm going to be working with my friend Bob over here. Say hi. And we're going to be making fall walls, starting with 1/2-inch MDF. Wish us luck. 2.5-inch strips. And now we're going to cut them into 2-foot lengths with the chop saw. I'm building the frame for constructing my fall walls. My first complete set of fall wall stairs. Here's the platform at the top, all clamped up. And here's my first complete fall wall. The legs are removable, so they're easy to store. Fall wall number 2, out of 4 total, for an 8-foot run. The design started with this quintessential picture of Victoria Falls. With a slice of the picture for reference, I did my best to map the features of the falls onto the fall wall and the 8-wide domino field that leads up to the falls, which I then printed out so that our intrepid volunteers could build it. Thank you, Joseph. From the beginning, I knew I had to include the river delta so that the build would really read as Victoria Falls. In these situations, I start with a picture and put a grid on it, and then I transfer the picture to the build square by square. It's a painstaking process, but it ensures that the overall proportions come out right. And because I wanted the dominoes to flow through the delta like water, I decided to set up a field of curvy lines without a template, which of course takes forever, but the end result was totally worth it. So the thing I'm most worried about actually is this field starter here, which starts the whole thing. It's right there. So fingers crossed that works out okay.